In this video, I'll show you how to merge multiple PDF files into a single document using PDF24 Tools. This is one of the easiest ways to combine PDF documents, and the best part is that it's completely free. You don't need to install any software, create an account, or pay for a subscription. Everything works directly in your web browser and only takes a few minutes. To get started, open your browser and go to the PDF24 Tools website. You'll find a large collection of free PDF utilities for editing, converting, compressing, protecting, and organizing PDF documents. For this tutorial, click on the Merge PDF tool. Once the Merge PDF page opens, click the Choose Files button. Browse to the location of your PDF documents, select all the files you want to combine, and click Open. If you prefer, you can simply drag and drop your PDF files directly onto the page instead of browsing for them manually. After your files finish uploading, they'll appear as a list on the screen. Before merging them, take a moment to make sure they're in the correct order. If you need to change the order, simply click and drag a document to a new position. The order you see here will be the same order in your final merged PDF. If you accidentally upload the wrong document, don't worry. Just click the delete icon next to that file to remove it. You can also add more PDF files at any time by clicking Choose Files again or dragging additional documents onto the page. There's no need to start over if you forgot one of the files. When everything looks correct, click the Merge button. PDF24 will combine all of your selected documents into a single PDF file. The process is usually very fast, although larger files or a greater number of documents may take a little longer to process. Once the merge is complete, you'll see a Download button. Click it to save the new PDF to your computer. Before sharing the file with someone else, it's a good idea to open it and quickly scroll through the pages to confirm that everything appears in the correct order and that no pages are missing. PDF24 is useful for many everyday tasks. For example, you can combine invoices into a single document before sending them to an accountant, merge scanned pages into one PDF after using a scanner, combine multiple reports for work, join school assignments into one file before submitting them, or organize contracts and receipts into a single document that's easier to archive and share. Another feature that many people appreciate is privacy. According to PDF24, uploaded files are automatically removed from their servers after processing. If you prefer not to upload documents at all, PDF24 also offers a free desktop application that performs the same tasks locally on your computer, so your files never leave your device. Here are a couple of quick tips before you finish. If one of your PDF files contains pages you don't want, use PDF24's Remove PDF Pages tool first, and then merge the cleaned up files together. If your finished document is too large to email, you can also use the Compress PDF tool immediately afterward to reduce the file size while keeping good document quality. As you can see, merging PDF files with PDF24 Tools is quick, simple, and completely free. In just a few clicks, you can combine multiple documents into a single PDF that's much easier to organize, store, print, or share with others. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing for more quick and easy PDF24 tutorials where I'll show you how to split PDFs, compress PDF files, convert PDFs to Word, remove pages, protect documents with passwords, and much more.